looks heavy. I'm sorry for the bothering, but can I try just with you one set? I need just warm up and I will go.
For a warm up, it'd be too heavy. Yeah. It's dangerous.
Dangerous what?
Your back broke.
I'll be like fast.
We just don't have the time to take the weights off at the moment.
No need to off. It's okay like this. Why you laughing? I don't know exactly the technique, but I will try my best. Honestly, like this. Oh, like this. Pretty nice. That's what I said, guys. I try as fast as possible. Helicopter, 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 helicopter. Hop. Why are you laughing? It was wrong. Nice. I mean, no, I don't believe.